Here we have it, the new MacBook Pro 16-inch, and the packaging looks premium with the wrapping paper protection on the outside. This is what Apple now calls 90% or more fiber-based packaging. Turning it around, we have the barcodes in the center and specs on the machine. But I know you guys are most excited on what's inside. So in here at first sight, we have the all new redesigned MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro 2021 is much improved version of its predecessor. Pulling it out of the box and taking this paper off, I noticed that this MacBook Pro is a little heavy, which is due to all of the goodies that are packed inside it. I mean, just look at it. The new MacBook Pro 16-inch in silver with M1 Max, of course. Putting this aside, Apple has included the guides in a much larger factory form. Inside, there are Apple stickers as always, but this time in black. Quite cool. Moving on, we have this new charging brick that delivers up to 140 watts. Just know that if you are on a 14-inch MacBook version, you will be getting either 67 watt or 96 watt adapter variations. The charging cable is braided and it's nicely textured, and overall it feels like a nice quality. It is nice to see that Apple brought back the Magsafe 3 port that enables a new fast charging feature, which can do a 50% charge within 30 minutes. Just know that if you don't want to use these cables, you can always use Thunderbolt ports to charge your device. Putting it all aside, it's time to dive into this new MacBook redesign. Opening this up, the MacBook started automatically for me. Inside, you will find the usual paper that protects and reveals the screen. As this is my first hands-on the Apple MacBook device, I don't know how I feel about the notch just yet. It looks way better than on the paper though. I am pretty sure I will get used to the Apple design and ecosystem. Let me know with the hashtag notch if you actually like it. Moving down, the keyboard is what truly captivated me with this all new black anodized aluminum inset. And no matter which model you order, there is no longer a touch bar integration with it. The function keys now include Siri dictation, new shortcuts for Spotlight and Do Not Disturb, and obviously the usual shortcuts for brightness, media playback, volume, and a new design for the fingerprint reader. It reads your finger like a charm, and I found it quick and convenient to use. But as cool as this all looks, I wanted to try the keys themselves. What do you think? Travel seems about right, and they do feel Apple-like typing. Coming from a Windows laptop, I do find the buttons are more premium than my old Surface Book 2. Trackpad is really huge and way different in terms of touch and the haptic feedback. I mean, just hear this. Moving towards the sides, a 6-speaker sound system with a larger tweeters apparently. And by design, these do seem larger in size on this chassis, which just explains why they sound so good. Okay, so let's take a bigger look at this chassis first. We finally have the return of additional ports like the HDMI port, SD card slot, and Magsafe. I am very new to the Magsafe charging port, but all the Apple users seem to be very excited for its comeback. Turning it all around, MacBook Pro level can be seen underneath. However, this time it is engraved on the chassis. We now have rounded corners, a thicker and robust enclosure that Apple declares to be made with 100% recycled aluminum. Weight, honestly, is not much of a difference than my current Surface Book 2. Packing 64 GB RAM and 2 TB of SSD, I was ready to carry around this 2.1 kg machine. Right away for me, this seems like the perfect getaway powerhouse laptop. The display screen looks pretty solid and thinner than my current laptop. Comes handy with this 1080p video camera, and the microphone sounds really good as well. Unlike Surface, Apple doesn't have touchscreen, so hopefully I won't miss that feature too much. Now, the display is on a whole new level. First impressions, while consuming content, the 24% decrease in the bezel size is noticeable. The 86.2% screen to body ratio and the colors on this 1000 nit mini LED display are insane. It does have a resolution of 3456 by 2234 pixels, which accounts for 7.7 million pixels in total. Just note that this all comes together in precisely a 16.2-inch display that offers ProMotion with adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, still to be tested further. To wrap, Apple has really done a great job with offering the best out of this device. This laptop is going to be my primary device for personal use as well as work purpose. All my upcoming videos will be edited right here in this ultra powerful device. Focused heavily on creators, MacBook Pro has been a favorite choice for many video editors and filmmakers. That is a wrap for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.